Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about operating cash flows. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we need to find about depreciation. That should be about the cost of the machine minus the salvage value in here over the number of the year useful life. So the cost of the machine that is about 10 million in here. This one we see that after 10 years they remove for no cost, so that means 0. We divide by 10 years, and this one we have 1 million. Now we have revenue, we minus about the operating cost, depreciation is spent. So we have net income before tax. Later that we minus about tax expense. So we have net income after tax. And then we need to add back depreciation, because this is about the non-cost on this is about non-cash, sorry. And then you got about operating cash flows. So the first thing we have the revenue that is about 3.5 million in here. We need to minus about operating cost. So I will put this one go in here. Depreciation is spent, that is about 1 million. So we need to minus two values in here. So we have net income before tax. So we have 2,147,862. So we need to find tax expense. So we have 25% marginal tax rate. So I will put this one multiply by this one. So we have 536,965.5. So we have this value in here. We use this number minus this number, so we got 1,610,896.5. Later that we need to add back depreciation, that is about 1 million. So we sum two numbers together and we have 2,610,896.5. And this is about operating cash flows. Now after we got this one, we can find net present value. So we need to minus about initial investment, and then we need to sum on the value of operating cash flow. to number 10 because we have 10 years in here. So we put the value code here. Initial investment, that is about 10 million in here. And now we have operating cash flow. They have the same for 10 years. So we can use about present value annuity. So I will put this value multiplied by 1 minus number 1 over 1 plus or in here that's about 12% to the power of 10. That's about for 10 years divided by 12%. So we calculate this one and we have 4,752,147.53, and that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.